In this session, we are going to tell about Color Dialog Box. Usually, we use Color Dialog Box to control the visibility, colors, and the display settings of the PCB object. You all know that it helps the designers to focus only on the layers or object they are working on. If they want to focus on the layers and they want to specifically focus on some object, means this Color Dialog Box will help for more. Now I will tell how to launch the dialog box. In you can display, you can also select here color box. Otherwise, you can in the shortcut you can select color dialog box. Now this is the user interface of the color dialog box. In this color dialog box, you can see the different categories are there, like layers category is there, net category is there, display category is there, favorite categories, and the visibility pane. Now we're coming for the layers category. By default, there will be a selected layer category will be selected. Now in this layers category, you can see the on the left side. These are the different types of subcategories are there. Next, I will go one by one. In the stack up layer, you all know that in the stack up layer, there will be a conductor layer and a non-conductor. Usually, stack up contains all the electrical layers. In conduct layer, you can see the pin via H, DRC, and anti-H. You can select each for the you want to change the color for the pin. You can select it, you can enable it, and you can change the color like that. For via purpose, you can change the color. For each, you can change. Same for as a non-conductor also. If you are using non-conductor in layer, means you can use the color for the top, ground, VCC, and the bottom. Now, it's coming for another subcategory called areas. In this area subcategory tab, this contains different regions used in the PCB layout. Like you can see here, constant region is there, road keyport is there, via keyport is there, package keyport is there, package key pin is there, and the road key pin is there. You want to change the color for the constant region in the for the areas of the top level or the top ground VCC bottom. You can just select and you can just enable it and change the color whichever you want the change. You can change the color like that. Now coming for geometry, another subcategory of the layers. You can select the board geometry. In the board geometry, you can get all the layers like assembly detail will be there, assembly nodes, both rooms. Whichever the color you want to highlight in the PCB design, you can just select the color you can just change it the color here. Like if you want to change the silk screen bottom, means you can change it the color here. Like this, you can change the color, and you can go for the design and you can observe the color changes in the design layers. Like this, you can change the color for the board geometry, for the package geometry, and for the embedded geometry. And one more subcategory called components. Here, for the components value, which are the components value described in the assembly top. For those component values, you want to change the color as pink. Otherwise, you want to change the different color as yellow. Like this, you can change the color for the each categories. Like same for manufacturing purposes, if you want in NC drill legends, want to change the color means you can change it like this. Now coming for the nets category. Like you all know that in the net category, all the nets which are created or a net group we are created or a match group, bus, differential pair, XNet or a net, which all the are the nets created in the design. You can see here. If you want to select each one and you just go through like if I created a bus means I selected a bus and I selected a specific design. In that you want for net array 0 equals to different color. You just take it for a specific net you want as a net and you want to change for pins color you want to different color means you can just go for color different colors like this you can change the colors and manually you can go for you can go for your design and you can check the specific lines or nets you can change the check the colors like if you are use a differential pair you will get the differential pairs here and you can just click on that and you can select the color for them like if I use a net A1 means I want color for net A1 like blue means I want just selected and go for check means the blue color will be uh, here you can see the net color becomes for net A1 the color becomes blue. Like this you can change the colors for your specific net. Now coming for the display tab. In the display tab on the left side you can see If you have highlighted means any temporary highlights for you want which color you want means you can just select color likes. For grids you want white color grids means you can just select the white color. With other ones different color means you can select different types of grids here. So for same for your DRC drill holes you want to change the color means you can change the color. For better visibility you can change the colors. Now coming to the shadow mode. Like if you enable this shadow mode means the board become a dim color. The board become automatically dim color. You can just toggle, I will just toggle it. You can just check it. Now the board is little highlight color. Now I'll just enable this shadow mode and the board become dim. This dim shadow option will help the designer to for better visualization of a specific symbols. If you want to better visualization of specific means, I'll just select a symbol and I go for select means that it will be highlighted. Only symbols will get highlighted. Like this, it will be more helpful for the better visualization. If I select means when the net gets highlighted, the other things get not highlighted. That's why this shadow visibility mode will help more for the better visualization purpose and the designing purpose. Now coming for visibility. In this, there will be a default classes will be there, each via pin DRC and uh, only that these are the default will be there. If you want any available classes which are included in your design, like if you are included post mask means you can add it here. Like if you want any manufacturing layers means if you have any means you can just add it to like this. You can drag it and like this here. So these are the things can change for the better visualization. You just click on apply and OK. Now coming for the visibility, I'll just off this on visibility. I'll just select on. Now coming here, like the post mask has been enabled now. If you want to toggle between specific layer means you can check like this. You can see the color changing and the visibility is changing according to the visibility plane. Like this better visualization, the color dialog box will help for more.